Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off and disable the filter all commands feature on TikTok applications. So if you want to allow all comments on your TikTok videos, this quick tutorial will help you on how you can disable the filter or commands feature on the TikTok app in just a few simple steps. So you'll learn in this video where to find the filter or command settings, the step-by-step instruction to turn off the command filtering, and how you can manage command settings for a more interactive TikTok experience. So this video is for you TikTok creators who are looking to increase engagement. And here, let's just start by opening the TikTok application. So after you open the app, you can just go to your profile, and in here you can go to the settings and privacy by clicking on this three lines icon at the top right corner. Go to the settings and privacy, and you'll see under the account section there's this privacy option, so just tap on that and scroll down until you find commands. So just tap on the commands options. As you guys can see here, I enable the filter command, so the recent comments on my video will be hidden unless I approve them. So it limited to 5 changes per day, so you cannot change it after you has exceed this limit. Okay, so you can just tap on this to disable the filter all commands. So after that, if you want to filter the commands that you want, so you can use this filter unwanted command, so you can recent comments that may be offensive or spam will be hidden unless you approve them. It's basically the same, I think. Or you can also only filter a specific keywords, so not all commands but specific keywords that you don't want to see or hear on your video. You can review the filter commands in here if you enable this. So after you disable the filter or commands, you can receive, or you can allow all comments on your TikTok video, so everyone can leave comments, anything can comment anything on your TikTok videos. And that's pretty much all. That's how you can disable the filter or commands feature on the TikTok application. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you, so you can adjust your TikTok command settings to suit your preferences and boost interactions on your posts. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.